Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove the background music from your videos when you're talking on CapCut PC. Select your clip and place it on the timeline, and you are going to go to the audio section of the app. Then you're going to select enhance voice here, and then you're going to scroll down until you find vocal isolation. And you're going to select just like the keep vocal one. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!